Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to install Docker desktop app for Windows. I'm going to tell you now. So let's get started. Here is the website. From this website, which is documents.doc.docker.com. From this website, you have to go for desktop and then go to Windows and then install. So note down this website and tap this website in your browser, then you will get a page like this. So here is the link and here is the website. So this is the Docker documents website where we have all type of things related to Docker. Here we go to the installation tab and where we go to Windows. In Windows you have to go for the install Docker desktop for Windows. Install Docker desktop on Windows. Here we have this page, information about Docker desktop. For requirements, download URL, installation, everything will be in this page. Here is the link for download for Windows. So desktop download for Windows, I have downloaded. It will take a few seconds of time to get installed, to download. So if your internet is good enough, it will take only seconds of time. If your internet is slow, then it will take minutes of time. So no need of much time it takes. So here is install. It's of in MB only. So you can go through this website to know about Docker and those things, the networkings and everything. So the release notes and everything will be in this website. So scroll down and you will get many more options like about the controllers and just Windows desktop on Windows, how to use and about to a quick start about those things and updates. Everything is present in this website. Go through this website if you are free enough. So now I am opening the exe file which I have downloaded successfully. Now opening the exe file, you will get a opening in the exe file. You will get a pop-up that is a setup wizard. Here is the setup wizard of Docker. Here now downloading of packages is began. So that is installing. This is the process of installing after downloading. Yeah, you have to wait for a few more minutes. It will ask you to add a shortcut on Windows, so click on that, and the window extension, so click on both checkboxes and that installation begins. Unpackaging all the files which are required for your Docker setup. So the version is 3.6.0. This is the latest version of Docker that may varies when you are installing at the time. It depends upon the time. The latest version may come. The time flies. So it will take a few more minutes to complete all the installation to get all the packages which are required like XMLs and the DLLs. All the DLLs it will installing and tagging those DLLs. So this will take a few minutes. So wait until now installation success. You can close that. Now desktop app is in your desktop. So double click on that. Now the Docker app is open. So it will start the engine of Docker. It will take few minutes to start up the Docker engine. So after that you will have a quick review and you can start using these things. You will have a Docker and Docker apps you can store in the Docker, and you have a Docker images. You can have volumes. If you learn about these containers and everything, images, volumes, these are all Docker related items. So those things will comes here if you create any. So learn about Docker to use this Docker app. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up below. Share this video to your friends or colleagues. And if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section.